What's up? Today I'll just be like going to planetarium, and on the way I'll just be showing you first any backpack. So I chose this backpack. So if you don't have anything really unlocked, you can put sticks in there or a crowbar or any sort of weapon. But me, I have this unlocked. I'm gonna take that and put it in, 2 just in case. Then 1, 2 like this. Close. Put. You don't need any light. 1, 2 in your hands, and if you have a slot, you can put yourself a grappler. I mean a hook shot, whatever you guys call it, in your hip slot, or else just put it in your backpack. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come in between here. You're gonna, if the fan is there, you can jump on it. If it's not, just use it. You find this little crack. So what you're gonna do, 2 other little handheld jetpacks. You're gonna bring them over here. Now you see all those platforms? You can go to there, or you can like look under the map and stuff. But what we're trying to go is over there. Now, when you don't have a grappler in your hip slot, you can just try to survive, or else you can take out your grappler and then you go up here to these stairs. And careful, wait, I'm gonna show you just a sec. They fall. Yeah, they kind of break, so careful when you're on those if you don't have a hook shot. So yeah, so when you're here, take out your pickaxe of choice, and then you can get research points. A very easy way to get research points. Also, you can get the animal company quick fuel. So first I test if it can go. Right now it doesn't look like it. That then cooked off. Now you just wait until the satisfaction. All of that. See that? Very satisfying. Holy cow, it's loud. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but so I got 1 research point because I already got my 3 others. Tons of animal company coins, and yeah, so it's good. Holy, it's loud. Now, to come back, you take 2 broccoli, go here, push off to this planet, go close to that thing, eat, and you're really small, and you go there. And now you're huge for about 2 minutes, I think. And yeah, so you can like have fun, grab stuff and throw them like really far, like the cheese. Yay! And yeah, and if you need more research points or more animal company coins, just join another lobby or private code, and they'll respawn. So yeah, have yeah, try to get research points. So that's basically it. If you need more tutorials on different stuff, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll do whatever you guys want. Just like and subscribe, please. I worked really hard for this.